The new iPhone 17 display uses advanced anti-reflective technology, and the wrong screen protector can ruin it. Washed out colors, bad clarity, terrible glare. And of course, one accidental drop can crack it in seconds. So today, we looked through dozens of options and narrowed it down to the top 5 screen protectors that actually protect your phone without killing the display quality. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 5 is the Ailun 3-pack. This is hands down the best bang for your buck on the market right now. If you are someone who likes having peace of mind with backups, Ailun gives you 3 tempered glass protectors for an incredibly low price. It provides solid 9H hardness protection against keys, coins, and daily wear. It covers your sensors perfectly while keeping them functional. While it is a standard clear glass without the fancy coatings of the premium brands, it gets the job done reliably. It's perfect if you go through protectors often or just want a cost-effective solution that works. Thousands of 5-star reviews can't be wrong. It's the ultimate budget-friendly choice. At number 4, we have the internet sensation, Magic John. If you've seen those viral installation videos, you already know why it's on this list. The application process is insanely satisfying and beginner-friendly. Its auto-elimination system removes dust and aligns the protector perfectly as you pull the strip, giving you a bubble-free install every single time. No stress, no guessing. The performance is solid too. A premium electroplated oleophobic coating for smoother touch and fewer fingerprints, HD clarity with full Face ID support, and a waterproof mesh to protect the earpiece speaker. A great pick for anyone who wants effortless installation without sacrificing quality. Moving into the top 3, we have the legendary Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit. Spigen is the go-to brand for protection, and this year they've leveled up. They are using their new Aluminicore glass, which is chemically strengthened to handle drops and impacts better than ever. The standout feature, of course, is the EZ Fit tray. It is arguably the most precise alignment tool in the industry. Once it's on, it fits perfectly with Spigen's cases, and pretty much any other case you use. If you are a clumsy person or work in tougher environments, Spigen is the dependable tank you want protecting your screen. It focuses purely on keeping that screen safe from cracks. At runner-up, we have the TORRAS OrigArmor. This is for those who want the absolute best quality and don't mind investing a little more for it. TORRAS uses aerospace-grade glass that is incredibly shatterproof, rated for drops up to 12 feet. But what makes it special is the TORRA coating. It mimics the iPhone's native screen feel, making swipes incredibly smooth and keeping fingerprints to a minimum. The 3D curved edges blend seamlessly into the phone's titanium frame. It's practically invisible once installed. If you want protection that looks and feels like there is nothing on your phone at all, TORRAS is the premium choice that delivers a luxury experience. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the ESR Armorite with Corning. This protector truly checks every single box. It is made with accessory glass by Corning, the same company that manufactures the actual iPhone screen glass. This means you are getting certified toughness and scratch resistance. Plus, ESR includes a fantastic anti-reflective coating that helps reduce glare in bright sunlight, keeping your screen looking vivid and sharp. With the UltraFit tray, installation is a breeze. It offers the perfect balance of Corning certified strength, visual clarity, and a price that is very reasonable for the quality you get. For most iPhone 17 users, this is simply the best upgrade you can buy. So there you have it. Whether you want the value of Ailun, the smooth specs of Magic John, the toughness of Spigen, the luxury of TORRAS, or the overall perfection of ESR, your iPhone 17 will be safe. I've dropped links to the best deals for all of these in the description below. If this video helped you save your screen, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech essentials. Thanks for watching.